Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will discuss and fix the issue of blurry fonts or not clear fonts in Windows. So firstly, we have to go on step one. So, so let's start it, and you have to just type in search bar setting, and you have to click on your system setting, and you have to just type here clear type. You have to click on adjust clear type text. Then you have to make sure that your turn on clear type should be checked. If it is no unchecked, so kindly click on check and then click on next button. Then you have to figure it out that there is a display. You have to just click on next and you have to pick only such paragraph which looks more accurate. So I think so that left one is more accurate or more readable. It's not blurry, so you have to click on next. Similarly, you have to just pick up the bold one or easy readable. So I think so that the first one is most readable, so I have to just click on it. And then similarly the second one is good. Then you have to just select it on it, and here it is, these five steps that you have to click on it, and then you have to click on finish. So by doing this, your issue of blurry or not clear fonts in Windows will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to move on the second step, which is basically registry editor. So you have to type here registry editor, and you have to go to into your system settings. And when you open this dialog box, you have to just click on H key users and drag it down. And then you have to go on, no, not on user, you have to just go on H key current user. So in current user, you have to find out your control panel. Here it is control panel, and you have to just go to the desktop. So when you go to desktop mode, you have to find out Win 8 DPI scaling. Here it is. You have to just double click on it, and in value data you will find out it is showing 0. So you have to just remove this and add 1 here. By default it is 0, so you should have to click on enter 1 and then click on OK. So at this you have to just right click on this box and create new 32-bit value. You have to create new 32-bit value, and you have to add name log pixels. You have to create a log pixel here, and you have to double click on it, and you have to enter type 78 in it. So always remember it should be 78 value data. In value data it should be 78. So when you click on OK, then you have to restart your PC and your issue will be fixed. Your blurry font will be removed and your font will be easily readable. If it doesn't work, so you have to just move to step 3. Step 3 is quite easier than other two. So you have to just type adjust performance. Here it is, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. You have to just double click on it and open it. And in this video you have will find out in this dialog box, here is the second option, adjust for better appearance. You have to just click on it and click on apply, and then you have to click on OK. So by doing this, your issue will be permanently fixed. So if you like my video, kindly like it and share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.